What if the cutest creatures in fiction were inspired by something very real? From the wise-cracking agents of Madagascar to the ice-sliding rebels in Happy Feet, penguins in fiction have become legends. But how much of it is fiction, and how much is truth? These tuxedoed wonders can dive over 500 feet, survive blizzards, and form social bonds deeper than many humans. Their group waddle? That's real. Their loyalty? Even more real. We gave them voices, superpowers, even spy missions. But the real magic of penguins? It's in how they live, love, and protect their young together. So next time you see a penguin, remember, they're not just cute. They're icons of survival. Hit subscribe for more powerful stories from nature and fiction colliding.